Are you weary of juggling multiple supplier apps, phone calls, and emails? Imagine a world where all your suppliers are housed under one digital roof, simplifying your ordering process to a mere few clicks. Welcome to that world. Welcome to Orders Made Simple, or OMS. Juggling multiple suppliers can be a real headache. It's a time-consuming task that can rob you of the precious hours you'd rather spend perfecting your culinary masterpieces. OMS is here to change all that. It's not just a platform, it's a dream solution for anyone in the food industry. With OMS, you're not just saving time, you're investing it. You're investing in a more streamlined process, a more organized kitchen, and ultimately a more successful business. Time, after all, is the secret ingredient to any successful recipe. Now, consider this. Not every supplier offers a digital ordering solution. With OMS, that is no longer a problem. OMS integrates all your suppliers into one platform, allowing you to order from your entire supply chain in one place. No more juggling apps, no more lengthy phone calls, and no more back-and-forth emails. OMS is the convenience you've been longing for. So to recap, OMS offers you time efficiency, convenience, and a streamlined process. It's a digital platform that integrates all your suppliers in one place. It's the dream solution for those in the food industry, making your ordering process as simple as pie. Curious to know more? Head over to the OMS website to get a taste of true efficiency. Say goodbye to the chaos and embrace the simplicity that is OMS. Remember, your time is a valuable ingredient. Don't waste it. Invest it with Orders Made Simple.